Welcome back to the Parker channel. Today we're talking about group motorcycle rides. If you're in a motorcycle group or if you're just by yourself and you're looking for a place to stop along the way in Parker, Arizona, this is a good spot. The Blue Water Resort and Casino, you could actually stay the night here, and plenty of parking for your group of guys. They have bars and restaurants, and you could do some gambling. So what we're going to show you today is other places to stop along your route. Say you're not going to stop overnight. You just want to go to a quick watering hole along your motorcycle ride. Say you're coming from California and you're headed up to wherever, but you're coming through Parker, Arizona. I'll show you a couple places to stop and maybe have some lunch. So let's get going. Okay, now we're at the Pirates Den, which has a lot of cool motorcycle parking. They have an outdoor bar that's not always open. Oh, let's see, it's open at 11:30. I'm out here at 9 o'clock, so it opens at 11:30. And it's right on the water. This is a really good stop for your group of motorcycle riders, dirt bikers, whatever. How cool would this be to have a couple cold ones and have some lunch right here on the water in Parker, Arizona? The Pirates Den has a large parking lot. Plus, they have some really cool motorcycle parking right by the sand beach. And it's all paved highway coming in here, so you don't have to worry about riding in the dirt, any dirt roads or anything. Well, my phone got too hot and my phone overheated and I couldn't finish my video. So anyway, I went to Fox's, which has pretty nice parking. I took a picture with my other phone, but it's limited on motorcycle parking. I also went to the Roadrunner and I have a picture of that, and the motorcycle parking there is limited, very limited as well. But their houses, their rental houses are really coming along nice. If you're looking for a rental house, I'll have to do a whole video on that. And the Sundance, I went up to Sundance. I did not get any pictures of that. There's a lot of motorcycle parking up there, but the place is so cool and new, I want to get a whole video dedicated just to Sundance. So that's where we're at, and I appreciate you guys watching my channel. And the video, or the picture we're looking at right here, was me in my jet boat on Lake Perris in Lake Perris, California. I used to have a jet boat. Great picture. It was winter time we were out there. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time, and I'll try to do a video on Sundance next. It's the Sundance Bar and Grill. I'll do a complete video of that. See you guys next time.